So many
We have
cards.
the Pokemon cards. I ordered these from Amazon, and they're golden, so they're like these golden colors. These golden colors like this. It's a cosplay. This one's the cosplay card. There's a lot of these in the set, so I'm gonna put this under. I'm just put this under.
Hey, I
this
saw
box.
it.
And then we have a regular Pokemon card. Another cosplay, Mr. Mime. So some of these have outlines.
Mr. Mime.
Some of these have outlines like the Taurus and Mr. Mime and cosplay cards. So they have a lot.
Well, you're kind
Ooh,
of
look
like
at this.
some-
Look at this one right here.
A Charizard.
Charizard. Oh, it's gold. Look at this. Beautiful. Of course, and you say you bought them on Amazon, these?
Yes.
There you go.
Blastoise Vmax. Another Charizard VMAX.
And they're nice cards.
Yes.
They're different cards.
they
Look at
are
that.
Very.
Oh, I have some too. I want to see that. You can.
You want to see one? Here. He's going to see it. Go ahead and touch it. You collect them? Are you a collector too?
Yeah, he's a collector.
Shoo, sheesh. Look at this golden
And I
one.
have like only two legendaries.
Wow.